That was pretty gnarly. I just finished up a ride at the valley. I went out there with my mate Annie. She showed me around. She didn't know where the hell she was going either. Holy shit! You mad dog! And if you enjoy your technical riding, like big rock slabs, just gnarly, natural, scary stuff, make sure you watch it till the end, because we ride this trail called Slabs, and I felt like I was on a knife's edge on some of those features. No!
You got a slab!
There's so many legends in this one. I hope you enjoy it.
Use the left lane to take the state route 41 slip road.
Left lane to take the state route 41 slip road.
What's going on?
Yeah,
good. I don't know which way. Do you know how to get to the top?
I know where to climb, like the start of the climb.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, right. But then I don't know from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is really cool out here. How's all the rock work there?
Nice, eh?
It's insane.
So,
very nice.
Yeah, I'm blind from here.
Okay.
I think I remember, like, we keep just going up.
So this is all very technical out here?
It is, yeah. Mine?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah. Do you?
Look at that. What is that? Just people like praying or something?
Nah. Nah, it's like a thing people do when they're bored. Hey, yeah, bro.
Right.
How you going?
Yeah, good, mate. Yourself?
Yeah, good, dude, good.
I thought I recognised the bike.
Yeah. I've never been here, eh?
Really?
Well, this is our first climb, but just looking at some of those granite rocks and that, I'm like, whoa, looks pretty sick. Yeah. Hey, bro. Ryan watches the channel, and he has some pretty sick videos too. His massive crew have let us join them down full bore. Oi! Yes! Oh! Yeah, sick! Oh! Yeah! Nice! Yes! Oh, so chunky. That was mad.
Nice.
Nice one. That got gnarly, eh? At the start, I was like, and then the bottom, I'm like, yeah, this is mad.
Where are you guys going to hit?
I wouldn't mind trying Utopia just because I've heard a lot about it.
Yeah.
Just to see what it's about.
Cool.
Nice to meet you. Catches. That's a hard climb.
Yeah.
So we come up there. So I think Utopia. Oh damn. Junky. Woo. Oh yeah. Yeah.
You're whip, bro.
I can't. Pretty shit at whips. There you go. Oh, cheers. I'll follow you for a bit.
Really? Really?
Just cruise. Nice. Yeah. Yeah.
You can grab that?
It looks pretty gnarly, yeah.
Do you reckon you can do it? It's like a step down, right?
I don't know. Drop in. Oh. Oh.
Wanna try again?
No! Oh, yeah! Oh. Yes! Yeah! Oh, I can see why a lot of people ride here. Oh my god! Woo! Yo! Holy shit! Nice! Oh my god! This is cool. Yes! Sick. Whoa! Sorry, I mean. Whoa! This is a block destroyer. Oh. Yes! That was a sick trail. Woo. That's sick. So what's this trail called? Yeah, you do.
Which is that?
Because, well, Slabs is that one that's, well, that is Slabs up
Yeah.
there.
Do you want to do that one with us?
Yeah, I'll come with you.
Yeah!
Why not?
Right, Slabs, double black. So just to give this trail a little bit of context, I asked Annie if we could ride some big rock slabs. I expected it to get a little gnarly, but I did not expect it to get this ridiculous. Be careful what you wish for, kids. Yeah. I'm nervous because I know it's about to get gnarly. Oh my god. Oh ho!
Yeah,
Can you roll that? Yes! Nice! Yes, dude! This is sick. Oh shit. Oh my god. It's so wet.
Operate like we go like.
Yeah. I'll just throw the bike if that happens.
Don't do the ride.
I don't know, eh? It's so like, because you have to ride along it.
Yeah.
And it's off Canberra and it's so, it's like, I don't know. Fuck, it's gnarly, eh? I think this is a bit above my pay grade. Like, where do you even go? Like, you must have to traverse along there. It's so scary. No.
Yep, not straight away now.
No way, it's way too slippery.
That is very slippery.
Yeah, nah, I'm pushing.
That's fun.
Holy shit. Holy shit. You mad dog. Woo-hoo-hoo.
That was the wrong line.
Nice one. At least you had a crack, dude. Let's just survive. You want to take that left line?
Oh, yeah, I was thinking like taking it from here kind of thing.
Oh my god.
That wasn't too bad.
Take up high on the right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Fuck yeah, man.
It's gnarly, eh? They must go, does he go straight through the middle here?
Yeah. Just be careful on the middle bit,
Yeah.
because if you go too fast, it will catch you.
Don't go too slow. But
What do you mean catcher? I don't think I'm gonna do it.
You go like bang.
You're gonna.
Oh, like G out.
Yeah.
No, I don't know. This stuff's scary, like, yeah.
You're riding gnarly shit as it is, and then when it's dry, it's gnarly.
It is a
You're
bit,
riding it when
this
it's
bit
wet.
is a bit dry though.
It is.
So I don't really have that excuse at the moment. That's fucking scary, eh? Oh. Yeah, it's fucking terrifying, eh?
Oh, you beauty! You got this, bro.
Don't let us stop you. If you think you can do it,
Ah,
just go for
I
it.
don't know.
Nah,
I did say I want slabs.
this is the slab.
I know, this is a slab.
But didn't say how gnarly the slab had to be.
Yeah, I'm just glad we found it. And
Yes. Oh. It was scary. Whoa. Yes. Whoa. You come in hot though, dude. Oh. Yes, nice man. Yes. It doesn't even look steep. Now I'm gonna work on these hips. That in super wide. The hips look so big in the super wide.
Cameras just don't do some of that stuff.
No.
never had.
See you, dude. Nice to meet ya. Oh, that was so good. Thanks, mate.
Thank you. Dang!